Hey everyone, welcome back to PEBCBuddy and welcome to our Preparation for Exams playlist. In this quick crash course, we're covering 3 things you need for PEBC-style questions: SIG codes, how to translate directions into clear label language, and high-yield conversions, plus MCQs, so you can practice like the real exam. And if you haven't watched our EE Study Plan Plus Resources video yet, make sure you watch that one too, because it tells you exactly what to prioritize. Here's the simplest way to decode any prescription direction. Use this 6-step method every single time. First, drug name plus strength, what the medicine is and how strong it is. Second, dose, how much each time, like 1 tablet or 5 milliliters. Third, route, how it goes in, like by mouth, eyes, inhaled, topical. Fourth, frequency, how often, like twice daily or every 6 hours. Fifth, special instructions with food, bedtime, shake well, or max dose. And sixth, indication plus PRN rules, why they're taking it, when needed, and what the limit is. This one is huge for exam questions because PRN directions can hide the most important safety detail, the maximum per day. Now let's hit the common SIG codes you'll see all the time in Canada. PA means by mouth, tab is tablet, BID is twice daily, QID is 4 times daily, Q6H is every 6 hours, PRN is as needed, GDT is a drop, OU is both eyes, top is topical, and HS is bedtime. These show up in pharmacy systems in SIG lists, so your goal is don't just memorize, practice translating them into clean, patient-friendly directions. Example 1 is a classic oral tablet direction. Take 1 tap a BID. Let's decode it using the method. Dose is 1 tablet. Route is by mouth. And frequency is twice daily. Final label translation. Take 1 tablet by mouth twice daily. Simple, clean, and exactly what exam-style questions expect. Example 2 is where students often lose marks because it's PRN plus a maximum. Ibuprofen 400 milligrams. 1 tab per Q6H PRN pain. Max 4 tabs / day. So dose is 1 tablet. Route by mouth. Frequency every 6 hours. PRN reason pain. And the safety limit is max 4 tablets per day. Translation. Take 1 tablet by mouth every 6 hours as needed for pain. Do not exceed 4 tablets per day. Exam tip. Whenever you see PRN, scan for reason, frequency, and maximum per day. Example 3 is eye drops. Instill 1 GDT, OU, QD. Instill means put in, GDT is 1 drop. OU is both eyes, and QID is 4 times daily. Translation, put 1 drop in both eyes 4 times daily. On exams, watch out for eye abbreviations. OU is both eyes, and the frequency wording must match. Example 4 is topical. Apply thin layer top BID to affected area. Topical means apply on the skin, BID is twice daily, and affected area must be included because it's part of the direction. Translation, apply a thin layer to the affected area twice daily. This is a good example where thin layer is an instruction, not optional fluff. Example 5 is inhaler. Inhale 2 puffs QED. Dose is 2 puffs. Route is inhalation. And frequency is 4 times daily. Translation, inhale 2 puffs 4 times daily. For inhalers, always keep the unit puffs because that's the dose. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and solve the 5 SIG MCQs based on the 5 examples. Your job is to pick the best translation, not just a close one. Look for small differences like twice daily versus every 12 hours, missing PRN reason, or missing maximum per day. Here's the answer key. If you missed any question, don't just move on, go back and ask. Did I capture the route correctly? Did I capture the frequency correctly? And if it's PRN, did I include the reason and the limit? That's exactly how PEBC-style MCQs try to trick you. Now we switch to high-yield conversions you must know for pharmacy calculations. Weight. 1 kilogram is almost equal to 2.2 pounds, and 1 pound is almost equal to 0.45 kilograms. For volumes, remember common quick values used in practice and exam math. teaspoon, tablespoon, and fluid ounce conversions show up a lot. This table is gold. Memorize it. 1/2 teaspoon equals 2.5 milliliters. 1 teaspoon equals 5 milliliters. 2 teaspoons equals 10 milliliters. 1 tablespoon equals 15 milliliters. 2 tablespoons equals 30 milliliters. On MCQs, this helps you move fast without doing extra steps. Now time fractions. You may see these written like 1/52 or 1/12. 1 divided by 52 is equal to 1 week. 2 divided by 52 is equal to 2 weeks. 4 divided by 52 is equal to 4 weeks. And 1 divided by 12 is equal to 1 month. These can appear in duration of treatment style questions, so read them carefully and don't guess. Now we'll do 5 conversion examples. As you solve them, use one simple rule. Write the conversion factor first, then cancel units step by step. That keeps you from mixing up kg with lb or tsb with ml when you're under time pressure. Pause again for 5 conversion MCQs. Treat it like the exam. Time yourself and aim for accuracy first. And if you want more practice, there's a PDF linked in the description with additional MCQs like these. Here's the answer key. If you got stuck, don't blame math. Most mistakes come from one of these: using the wrong direction of the conversion factor, forgetting units, or rounding too early. Resolve the ones you missed using units and cancellation. Then it clicks. That's it for today's crash course. Next video is dosage forms, tablets, capsules, inhalers, injections, so you understand how exam questions describe them and what changes in counseling. And finally, subscribe and click the bell icon to hear about my next video first.